a double butterfly. Yes, a double butterfly. So before we get into this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Like, what you doing? Yeah, what you doing? And if you're not following me on my social media platforms, pause this video, scroll down to the description below, and make that happen. If you have not shopped the brand yet, you better stop playing and shop the brand. As you can see, I am wearing my cute brown jumpsuit from my brand. Yes, okay? So go ahead, subscribe to this channel, follow me on my social media accounts, and yeah, let's go into this video. Alright, so I already know what y'all probably thinking. Why you in the house twirling? Because we just doing a simple double butterfly. It's not hard, it's not strenuous. You ain't gotta worry about breaking your mama's stuff unless, you know what I'm saying, you're too close to something. Okay, so always remember this. This is majorette 101. A good major, take it back. A good majorette always carries her baton with her, no matter what. Whether you're good, whether you're a beginner, whether you're intermediate, advanced, don't matter. A good majorette always carries her baton with her. That's what my sponsor taught me, so that's what I'm teaching y'all, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this thing. So if you have not watched the last two videos, the last two tutorials on how to do a butterfly and a figure eight, I need you to pause this video right now and go make that happen, okay? Because you're going to need those two, especially the figure eight, in order to understand how to do a double butterfly. All right, so you're gonna start off in your first position. Remember, chest up, shoulders down and back and down, posture, nice and tight. Remember, boom, baton, nice and straight, L, nice and tight, down by each other. Your feet should be in a T. You can't really see them right now, but they should be in a T. Your chin should be up, and you need to have that big Kool-Aid smile, okay? Period. That was a thumbnail. All right, so you're gonna start in first position, and you're gonna march 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butterfly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're gonna do the double butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I'm gonna break it down for you. Let's do it together. 5, 6, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you were to ever try out to be a majorette and they told you to do a double butterfly, you're going to probably, well, some people do it different. When we had tryouts, we started with a butterfly. So I'm going to give you the rundown of how it went, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that concludes this video. I hope you learned something today. If you did, make sure you leave me a like, leave me a comment if you like, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you did not do that before we got into this video. Make sure you share this with a friend, with a friend, with a friend. I thank you all for watching. I thank you for my supporters, and I thank you for my subscribers, and I thank you for my new subscribers. If you know what I'm saying, you hit that subscribe button. Okay? So I will see y'all in the next video. The next video, I will be teaching you how to do a all around the world. Okay? So make sure you tune in. Make sure you hit the notification button or whatever so that you can make sure you keep up. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.